welcome to my channel. Today I wanted to show you my favorite recipe for homemade ketchup. You don't need to buy it in the store anymore. Look at this. Look how creamy and good this is. And it doesn't have all the other stuff in there that we don't want. This is just all natural. I will link the recipe in the description box below. I start out with 1 6-ounce can of tomato paste. To that I add 1/4 cup of water. I like to dump the water in the can to get every little bit out. And then I add 1/4 cup of honey. I didn't want to measure because it's so hard to get it out that I just guesstimated it. And then I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of sugar. Here I am just adding 3/4 of a teaspoon of salt. I like to add a little bit of Tabasco in. I don't put very much in, just a couple drops. And then you put it in a pan. You want to heat it till it starts to boil and then simmer for 20 minutes to continue to stir it to make sure it does not burn. As this was warming up, I was rereading the recipe and realized I forgot to put my 1/2 cup of vinegar in. So that goes in. That is a great thing to add because this gives it so much flavor. That is the great thing about this recipe. You can leave out what you don't want in it. You know, if you want less salt, you don't have to put the salt in. I love that we can do that. If you enjoyed this video, I hope you'll hit the like button and consider subscribing so you don't miss any future videos. And at the end of this video, I will put up 2 of my other videos if you'd like to click on them. Thank you so much for watching.